Welcome to Ludik Attorneys. My name is Ludik, and today we will be talking about if you want to sell your property privately. Firstly, we're going to discuss the advantages to sell your property privately, and secondly, I will give you a few tips if you want to sell your property privately. A few advantages. The first thing is there's various online tools for you to market your property yourself. You save on estate agent's commission, you are in control of the process, and there will be buyers that will be motivated to aggressively negotiate your purchase price, but you can argue against it. Then a few tips. If you want to sell your property and you have a bond registered over your property, then you need to note that there will be a penalty interest payable to the bank if you do not inform the bank 3 months in advance that you want to sell your property. So the first thing that you need to do as a seller is inform the bank in writing that you want to sell your property to make sure that you do not pay penalty interest. The second thing is make sure that you take high quality photos of the interior and the exterior of your property. Make sure that your home is tidy and neat when you take the photos. And if you get purchasers, prospective buyers that wants to view your property, make sure that your property is neat. Make sure that all the lights is switched on in the rooms so that they can properly see the whole area. Include a proper description of your property, the interior and the exterior when you market your property. Do market research on your purchase price. See in the same area, the same condition house, what it's currently selling for, and make sure that you are in line with what is the current market price of your property. Consult with your conveyancer prior to selling your property to make sure that you know that there is no restrictive conditions for you to sell your property, and to also deal with it before you even want to sell your property to make sure that the transfer process is not delayed. Make a list of the property defects. Cracks in the walls, roof leaking, that should be disclosed by the seller to the purchaser in the agreement. A video will follow regarding the discussion of latent and patent defects a bit later. Then also make a list of the fixtures that will be removed when you sell your property. For example, if you want to take with your aircon, or if there's plants or trees in your garden that you want to take with, that has to be disclosed to the purchaser in your agreement. A video will also follow on that. Make a list of your monthly expenses to make sure that you can inform the purchaser of what expenses to expect. So that will include your rates and taxes, your levies if your property is situated in a complex or in an estate. Make sure that you know what the levies is, and also disclose that to the purchaser prior to concluding the contract. Then my recommendation would definitely be that you get your contract from a qualified attorney, notary or conveyancer. The reason for this is there's a lot of templates on Google. I would definitely not recommend that you take this. Those contracts is pre-drafted contracts, and it's not tailored to your specific needs as a seller. Consult with your conveyancing attorney. Make sure that they assist you to draft a proper deed of sale, purchase agreement to sell your property. Enjoy selling your house. Remember, you can contact your conveyancer anytime during the process, from the time when you think that you want to sell your property until the transfer process is concluded. You can contact your conveyancer anytime to assist you with the process. If you would like to use our services, do not hesitate to contact us. Our details will follow after this video and is in our description below. Thank you for joining us.